What is happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Harley. I know I've been around Montenegro on that little 350 Honda. We're back on the Harley now. You've seen in last Sunday's vlog my 6-month reflection. In this vlog we're going to go have a bit of a ride around the Peak District, to the top of the Peak District. So if you don't know where that is, I'll pop it on the screen now, but that is in the top of Derbyshire, in the northwestern corner of Derbyshire. It's really beautiful. If you're not from the UK, you probably won't know, but up there's the Snakes Pass, which is where we're heading today, and we're going to show you what that road's about. And we're just going to go out for a really nice day out on the bike. Even though it's a bit cloudy today, it's not the greatest in the world. It's warm enough, we're layered up, and if you hadn't noticed, I now have a forward-facing camera, and I've also got one mounted, and I've also purchased a drone. So I'd like to think that the channel is now leveled up, should we say, and yeah, really happy with what I've got now. So I've got the DJI Osmo Action 6 on my chin, the Osmo Action 4 on the bars, and then I've got a DJI Mini Pro drone, an older version, one that's a bit more affordable, but like everything on this channel, we're doing everything more affordable. So without any further ado, let's get straight into this video, and let's really enjoy a wicked day out ripping around the Snakes Pass. So guys, this is the Snakes Pass. That was the start of it back there. What I'm going to do, because I've never been here, I'm just going to have a little mooch around, and then I'll be able to show you guys better what the Snakes Pass is about. Yep, never been this far up. Can always rely on roadworks in Great Britain. I can imagine when there isn't cones in this road, it's probably a really nice ride. But I know, unfortunately, there was a fatality on a motorcycle last week, or last weekend here, at the end of June. So that's really sad. And riding these roads carries a lot of risk. For me, I like to toot around, take it in, you know, I'll put the bike through its paces, but I won't ride like a cock. especially when Emily is on the back. I think that's just being responsible more than anything. So I'm going to get the drone up and then we'll have a look at the Snakes Pass from an aerial point of view, and then once we've had a look with the drone, we will have a lovely ride through. But wow, look at the forest either side. All the years I've been riding, I can't believe I've never been up here to ride. I'll have to come back when it's really sunny as well. Don't get me wrong, it's about 21 degrees centigrade right now. It doesn't feel like it on a bike, but it is. And I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit, I'll put it on the screen. So, we're having a bit of fun aerial with the drone, watching quite a lot of the bikes come past, but we're going to head off now, show you the rest of Snakes Pass and see what we can get in. But yeah, wicked. I hope you're enjoying the vlog. The Snakes Pass that actually fell away, as in a sinkhole in the lane. I think that might be just down here. In good old trusty Britain, it will take a good 5 years to fix this problem. They'll leave these temporary traffic lights there, and yeah, we'll still have this problem in 4 or 5 years. It's just the way it is in Britain. But I hope you're enjoying this vlog so far, and what we're covering off. I don't want to get in the position where I'm talking too much on a vlog like this, because I want you to take in the road. I want you to really enjoy what I'm riding today and what I've got a chance to get out on, and how beautiful it is. But I will find some spots. Let's go! I think on a Sunday they should just ban cars off the roads. I'm just putting it out there. The UK government are watching this. Can we just ban cars on roads like this on a Sunday? So we've got a playground. Having a playground's important when you're a fully grown man. Woo! Flying! Looks pretty fast for 50 mile an hour. Some of it's a bit bumpy, and I'm sure on a different bike, on like a 20 grand bike, it might not feel this bad, but on a dyno we're going to slow down for the corners to a degree. But doesn't this bike sound? You love about this bike. and how much it makes me smile. And the policeman I was talking about earlier, he's gone home, or he's fucked off somewhere else to collect revenue. But he wasn't in the spot that he was earlier, which is good. It's probably why there's so many bikes coming hooning past at the minute. Just enjoying a Sunday, living their own life. And that's what it's about. Living your own life. There's no reason why you can't enjoy twisties like this and still be super sensible. I mean, this bike weighs a few hundred kilograms, and maybe the exhaust makes it sound like I'm going faster, but on camera I think it's got to be a reality that actually I'm not going that fast at all. So everybody, that is Sheffield to Glossop, which is the A57 Snake Road, otherwise nicknamed as Snake Pass. What a wicked road, and more so like the scenery. Like, I'm big on scenery, and don't get me wrong, I'm not riding like a Hayabusa, you know, a KTM Duke or something that's an absolute reprobate round roads like that. It's just not my kind of riding, it's not my kind of bike. Doesn't mean that you shouldn't. Have a great time, live your life, do whatever the fuck you want, because that's what I encourage always, and I'll always encourage that on this channel, is just living your life and being free. But I hope you've enjoyed what you have seen on this vlog, especially if you're not from the UK and you have no idea what Snakes Pass is. If you like the look of our beautiful Snakes Pass road in Derbyshire, in the England, United Kingdom, drop a comment down below, let me know what you think of today's vlog, and yeah, let me know what you think of the drone footage as well. It's the first time I've actually put my drone up in public when there's physically people around. So yeah, that was just a snippet of one of my favourite corners from today. It's just a very mild bend, sweeper to the right or to the left, depending on which way you're coming. But some of the bikes coming down there, you know, absolutely want to record those guys, but I'm also not knob enough to record them and then post it online. Anyway, if you enjoyed today's vlog, please, if you can, support this channel, hit subscribe. It is completely free and it will help me out massively. I'm sure you've got a dream at home, and I've got a dream too, and this is it, to motor vlog and go out and travel. This channel's not going to be all about England. We are going abroad later this year a couple of times, so plenty for you to see. But until the next one, guys, peace, and I'll catch you on the next one.